Welcome, students. Welcome to my class. And today, here I'm going to share with you some of the topics of compulsory mathematics. Okay, if you have difficulties, you can also share with me. Okay, in today's class, I want to share the first question from trigonometry. Okay, according to this question, look there. I'm going to show you here a man. The question is a man of height, man of height. Okay, a man of height 1.68, 1.68 meter observes observes pillar pillar. Okay, pillar here is observe the pillar of height yeah, pillar of height. The height of the pillar is given there 51.68. Okay, 51.68 meter, and there is given find angle of elevation. Has given a find right here, find angle of elevation, find angle of find angle of elevation, find angle of elevation of find angle of elevation of the find angle of elevation of the top of the pillar, find angle is given, find angle of elevation of the top of the find angle of elevation of the top of the pillar right there, top of the top of the pillar, top of the pillar. Okay, as given top of the pillar to be top of the pillar to be 60 degree here. It is given like this. And according to this question, look here, the figure will be like this. See here. Here will be one. Okay. Here will be one. Here is given AB. AB is given there. Okay, this point is A, this point is B, right? This is AB. Okay, then this AB is the, suppose it's 1.6, its length, its height, okay, is given 1.68 meter, right? Here, write 1.68 meter. Height, this is the height of the man, okay? And now here is given another, right? Here we have to draw like this, okay, straight one. Let's draw straight one, okay, like this one. Pillar, and its name, give its name is their name is the C, okay, C to D here, okay, is given D, and its height is also given there in question. Look, the 51.6, this total is 51, right, 0.6 meter, right, right, 51.6 meter, okay. So like this, CD, this is D, and join this, okay, distance, and here is from this here to here top, okay. There is given angle of elevation, okay. This angle of elevation is given there 60 degree, okay. This angle of elevation is given the 60 degree, and suppose this is here also 90 degree, okay. This 90 degree, this right angle triangle will be there. That's why this perpendicular, here 90, here also 90, and write this here E, okay, right here E, and this total height of the pole, this one pillar, okay, here is given pillar one, and its total height is given there 51.68, right? Right here 51.68, okay, right here 51.68 meter, okay, here like this 51.68 meter, clear. And after this, now we know that this AB is 1.6, then automatically this also will be 1.6, okay, this height or CD, this ED, okay, ED also 1.68. Then if this total is 51.68, then this will be only this one only, okay. CE will be there 50 only, okay. From this CD we have to subtract ED, then CE comes. Then we have to take this right angle triangle ACE, and this perpendicular given and angle of elevation also given. Then we can find out its base, okay. Then, and here what is asked now? Look here, I'm solving here one line by line, okay. Here in A number it is asked there, right? A number, write the definition of angle of elevation, okay. Here is asking, write the definition of angle of elevation. Write the definition of angle of elevation, okay. Right, write the definition of angle of elevation. Write the definition, right, write the definition, okay. Write the definition of angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Okay, first question is this. Then when you write the answer of this a number, then we have to write that the angle of elevation is the angle, okay, the angle made by, and look here, right here, the angle, right here, the angle made by our eyes, right here, the angle, and right here, made by our eyes, okay, made by our, made by our eyes, okay, when we look here, when we look, when we look at something above our, when we look something, right here, when we look something, when we look something, okay, above, when we look something above our eyes, okay, something above our eyes, above our eyes, right? Look, here only the observer's eye is here, then this top of the tower is here. That's why it is above the eyes level. That's why this angle of 60 degrees, the angle of elevation here. Then we have to find out here. Look, what is asking here? Number B. I think you are clear about angle of elevation. For the angle of elevation, the object is looked from down, okay, down to upward. And look, in question number B, there is asked find the height of the, okay, by how much is the height of the pillar more than the height of the man. Look here, asking this height of the, asking, okay, here is height of, height of pillar is how much higher than pillar or pole. What is given the question? Look there, a pillar, it is given height of the pillar is, height of the pillar is how much more, okay, how much more than, how much more than the man, okay. Now we are finding it. See here, and for this, look here, we know height of this one, look here, and this is the height of the pillar and this is the height of the man, and we know this is also 1.68 here, from E to D also 1.68, okay, meter here is, and then when you find the difference, look here, that is called C, okay, you found the C equals to, what will be there, CE equals to CD, okay, minus ED, right, ED will be written here, and we know there CD, this the total is CD. CD was there 51.68, right here 51.68, okay, meter, minus, and ED is there 1.68, 1.68 meter, right? That is the height of the man. Then when you find out this difference, you will get here 50 only, okay? 50 meter is the difference of the tower and the height of the man. Okay, like this we find it. Now this look here, C number, C number. What is to be found here? What is the difference between the man and wait? Difference between this, no? The distance between the man and pillar. What is the distance right there? And it's C number. How far is the man from the right here? How far is the man from the pillar? Okay, right here. How far is man? Okay, how far is man from pillar? Man from pillar. It's asking here. From pillar. Asking to find it. Then for its solution, let's take in right angle triangle this C. Okay, A is C in right here in triangle. You can tell right angle triangle here. That is right angle. That's why in right angle triangle, right angled okay triangle. That is A E C. Okay, right A C. We know that is 60 degree. That's why tan 60. We know tan ratio is perpendicular by base. Right here tan 60 equals perpendicular. Perpendicular is this. That is C. Just we found in B number C. That is perpendicular C. Right. C by the C by base is there A. Right here A. C by A. Then we know this tan 60 means there square root 3. Right is square root 3 equals to then this perpendicular is just we found here C. That is 50 meter. Right here 50 meter and by A is this is right A. Now when you cross multiply this A goes here, then this root 3 will come down to divide, then right therefore A equals to what's coming there. You can divide it and write down, divide and write down. Okay, that is we need to divide it and it will come in decimal. Okay, when you divide it, you will get 28.87. Okay, this is sorry. Yes, it comes 28.87 right here. 28.87. Okay, meter. This is the value of A from A to E. We know that AE and BD are equal. Therefore we can tell AE equals to right. This right. Therefore A equals to this BD same. Okay. This distance between the man and the pillar is 28.87 meter. And similarly, there is asked next question D also. In this D number, what is asked? Look there. Give the distance between the man and the pillar. Okay. What type of effect will be there on this angle of elevation if the distance between the man and the pillar is increased? Okay. Here, when when the distance look here, this BD, when BD is increased, what will happen? Okay. BD increases. Okay. When this BD increases, what will happen in angle of elevation? What happens? Okay, what happens? Okay, and when you increase this distance from B to D more, right? And then what will happen when this look when this distance, decreases? When this distance decreases, angle of elevation will increase. Okay, will increase. And when the distance, if you keep the distance a bit far, then the angle of elevation will what decrease. Okay, when BD increases, then angle of elevation is, I'm repeating, look, when BD distance is increasing, right, then angle of elevation will decrease, right? When the BD decreases, when BD comes shorter like this, no, here, this angle of elevation will increase. Okay, right answer. When BD increases, okay, when the BD, when the BD, okay, this distance increases means this B comes this side, no, then angle of elevation will, question look here, P about this clear, okay, increase one. Increases means this distance will come this side, no, here, like this one, this one, and at that time, what will be this? Look, the distance between man and the pillar is increasing, means this will come this side, okay? Then what will happen to the angle? Okay, it will also decreases, okay? Right answer decreases. Okay, decreases on, it's decreases. But look here, when the distance between the man and pillar decreases, okay? When this comes towards this side one, when this distance decreases, then angle will increase, okay? Angle will increase. When the distance between the man and pillar is decreasing, the angle will increase, okay? The angle of elevation increases when the distance between the man and the pillar decreases, right? Angle will increases. Don't forget that one. Okay, like this type of question, there will be, right, in height and distance one. You have to practice such questions. And now, look here, children. I want to show you here the next questions. Okay, okay, that is the question that I want to share with you. to practice from okay sequence and series. Look here. I want to say the question from sequence. I want to draw this. Okay. Okay, this is clear. And number two is from sequence and series. The topic from sequence and series, right? This I want to share here. Okay, it's from the part of the algebra. And look here. Okay, the question is here that I want to share from mathematics sequence. Okay. The question is like this. See. Here's one question given like this in the table, right? Here, let's draw one table. Table is like this. Okay. Table is drawn like this, right? And here is days and saving in rupees given there. And first one there is okay. Here is given in first there is first row here is given days. Okay, days given here, and here is given saving in rupees. Okay, saving in rupees. Write it. Saving in rupees right here in RS. Okay, this is saving in rupees. and day is given there first, second, third, fourth. Here is given first, okay, first written, and here is second day, okay. This is second day, and here is third day, okay, and here is given fourth day, and fourth day. Then last one there is fifth day, okay. Here is given fifth day. And saving in rupee there is given 20 at the first one. First there is the saving of 20. Second one there is the saving of 23, right? And third one there is the saving of 26. Okay, here is 26 rupees, and here is given blank, and here is also given blank, right? Okay, number one, this one. Okay, number two, first one is A. It is asked there if look there somebody has sent this question there. I want to check there my comment box. Welcome, students. Well, okay, one second here in comment one. Okay. Now here is the question from this table. Okay. Here for first day there was saving of 20 rupees, second day 23 rupees, and third day 26 rupees. And first question is asking there if PQRS, okay, PQ, okay, R and S, okay, R and S are in Okay, arithmetic sequence, that is AS. Okay, they are in arithmetic sequence. Then asking there, okay, what is the arithmetic mean between Q and S? Okay, what is arithmetic mean? That is called AM. Arithmetic mean between what is, okay, here's the question, is must be here. What is AM between? What is AM between? Okay, Q and S. Q and S. Question is this, okay? Then look at Q and S, what is there? This is Q and this is S, right? And arithmetic mean between Q and S. What is the arithmetic mean between Q and S? That is R, okay? Its answer is R. Arithmetic mean between Q and S is here. This S and this one is the middle one value, right? This is the arithmetic mean between Q and, that is arithmetic mean between Q and S, right? This two R. Okay, R is the arithmetic mean. Now look at B number. What type of question in this value? Look here. Okay, there is given if, question is there, if, okay, according to this question, if 26xy 35, right? Here is given 26 and here is given xy, right? X comma y, 26x comma y, and last is given there 35, right? There is given 35 are in, okay, AP, arithmetic progress are in AP. If they are in AP, arithmetic progress, okay, okay, and asking there, find the value of x and y. Find x and y. X and y here. In this case, what would, look here, students. In this case, look here is solution, right? Then we know there this is first term. This is first term. There is a equals to, there is given 26, right? This 26, okay, and we know this there are, two numbers x and y. They are known as means, okay. Means are, which are there, which are means here, number of means, okay. Means are there x and y, right? That means there are two mean, x and y. These two are the mean, okay. These two are the means. That's why number of mean right here, number of mean, we write here, number of means right there, number of means right here 2 equals to 2, right? In this case, we find the common difference by using this one. Look at d equals to, here's the formula, d equals to b minus a by n plus 1, right? Use this formula, then you will get this b. B means what is here? 35 1, 35, okay. A is there 26, okay. And inside this two number there is two mean. That's why I write it 2 plus 1, okay. 2 plus 1, and then when you subtract them, 15 minus 6 there is, okay, 9, and here is 2 0 and 9 only, and down there is 3, right? And this common difference will come now, 3 3 3 is 9, right? If you get the common difference 3, now look here, the value of x, okay, in term, okay, this x is the first mean, but term is 1. This is first term and this is second term, okay? Term is second term. Mean is the first, but term is second. Then right there, T2 formula. T2 equals to, we can use the formula, this one, look here, A plus N minus 1 into D, right? Use this formula here. Then A value is the given there. A means the first term, this is 26, right? Right, a 26, and plus this N means here number of term, that is second term, that 2 minus 1 is here, 1 only, N is 2, that's 2 minus 1 is 1 only, and common difference just we found, this is 3, okay? Then is total, what will be here? 26 plus 3 equals to, answer comes here, 29. This is the value of x, okay? And similarly, now to find out this y is third term, then we can use the same formula here also. Right here, t3 equals to, right here, a plus, okay, n minus 1 into t. Write this, okay, and then a we know, okay, a we know here is 26, right? Right, 26. Then in place of n, now there is 3. Now 3 minus 1, it will be here 2, right? Into d is, we have already found here, d is 3. Then it comes here 26, okay, plus 6, then it will come 32, right? This is the value of y. This was the value of x, okay, and this is the value of y. Like this, we find the value of x and y here, okay. And now look there, next one. Question number C, okay. Then look here how to find out the saving of this fourth and fifth, okay, day. Similarly, we can find out, okay, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. And if it is asked what is the value of fourth and fifth, then similarly we can do here. See number asking find saving of saving of fifth day, okay. Here is asking fifth day. Then how to do, look here. We know this is fifth. That's why right here T5. Then we know short formula is we can write A plus 40. A plus 40. A is there what? A is given there 20. Write 20 here. Okay. Plus 4 into common difference is given there. This we found here common difference 3. Right. Then what will we look then? This will be 20. Right. 20 plus we have to add 4 3 is a 12. Okay, then its answer will come here 32. 32 is the answer for this one. As it comes same here, 20 T5 here. First look Why we are looking here 32, but here is also okay. Then what happened here? 26 plus 6 and T5 has come here. Okay, how this is coming? Same look there. This is A is not here. A is not here. Look here. This is not 20. This is 26. Okay. Look, first one, and now it will be now 26. Then now it will be here 38. This its answer will be 38. Okay. This is 8. Okay, children. This is 8. 26 it is not the 20. A is there. 26. 26 plus 12. And it will be 12. Then this 28 and 38. Its answer is fifth term. The day 5 saving is there 38. Like this we solve like this type of question. Okay. See there. Okay. If there is any confusion about any topic, one you can write in comment box. Okay, so that I can help you for your difficulties. Anybody? Okay, children. Now look here. I want to say this was the question related to arithmetic sequence. Okay, arithmetic series also, and this is the sequence one. And now I want to say the question from next topic. This I want to clear. Okay, and I want to give here the next question. Is there any comment or not? Look here, I'm seeing here. Okay, they are asked there. Question from set also. Page number. I don't have the book here, your book one. How can I solve that question? If you have question, you can share with me. Share the question from your book so that I can solve that question. Okay, is done. I have no book. I have no book which you are using. If you have the question, you can write the question in comment box so that I can write. I can solve it. Okay. Questions are asked from share. Then here the book that I have. Okay, from that I want to share. Where we know. Okay, here I'm doing. This I want to share. Okay, for the Venn diagram one, right? Make one circle, and this is pick up and put here, and this is suppose set A. Okay, and draw here another like this. Okay, circle, and this is set B. Okay, and in this question, and this is suppose there is given 30 here, and this is here, this part is given there 15. Okay, and this part is given there 35, right? And this part is 35, and this outside there will be look like this. We have to draw this, draw like this. Okay, this is a rectangular part. Okay, and here also draw inside, and here also draw. Okay, then join like this. Okay, and here now we can write this universal set. Okay, and this part only here, if there is given 24 outside, right? In this 24 outside, for these two overlapping sets. Okay, from this one Venn diagram one, if it is asked to find, okay, number A, to write the formula first. If it is asked to write the formula of an A union, this is an union B. Okay, in this case, what you will do, look here, these are overlapping set, that's why here will be an A, you will use here an A. Okay, another you will do here and B and B. Okay, here write B, another one you will write here minus N A intersection, okay, B. You use this formula for this condition, okay. In this condition, now in B, if it is asked to write formula and U, then suppose if there is given and U, right? Okay, look, I want to join my. Okay, if it is asked here to find and U here, in this case, in this universal set, okay. Such case, what you will do? You will find this, okay, and A and B. Then write here and A union B, okay, and A union B, okay. Then plus this outside one, okay. You have to add this. That is and A union B complement, okay. Now this will find. And here is this is only A, okay. This is only A. Then when you add this only A and this intersection one, this A value comes this and A cardinality of set A comes. And when you add this A intersection B with and only B, then cardinality of set B comes here. Okay, like this you have to solve it. Okay, while adding this and this, it will come A, and when you add this and this, it will come B. Okay, like this we solve for the two overlapping sets. Okay. If this part is hidden there and here, look, this part I am writing this part, okay. This part I am writing below, okay. Here is minus, right? This minus, then after right there and there is a intersection B. We write a B as B here, okay. And similarly here is also this part is hidden there. That's why I'm writing this part here, okay. Plus and that's cardinality of A union, okay, B union B complement, okay. We added this A union B with A union B complement, then NU comes here, right? Mm-hmm. Here I want to show some of the construction work also. Look, fourth number question. This I want to clear. Fourth one is okay. I want to share the construction. How to construct how to construct the triangle which is equal in area with the quadrilateral. First we construct the quadrilateral and then we have to draw a triangle, okay, equal in area with that quadrilateral. Okay, look, I want to show you here. Construct a quadrilateral. Construct construct quadrilateral. Question is this, look here. Quadrilateral. Construct quadrilateral. Name is PQRS. Quadrilateral name is PQRS. RS, okay. In which in which there is given PQ. PQ is given there. PQ is given there 5 centimeter. PQ is given there 5 centimeter. Okay. QR is given there 4.5 centimeter. QR is given there 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. RS is given there 6 centimeter. Right. And PS is also 6 centimeter. PS is also 6 centimeter. PS equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, this is 6 centimeter. And PR is also 6 centimeter. And PR also 6 centimeter. PR also 6 centimeter right here. Right? And asking there, construct triangle QRT. Okay, construct triangle QRT. Construct is given construct triangle QRT. QRT. Right? Then construct a triangle QRT equal in area with quadrilateral. Equal in area. Equal in area. Right, equal in area with quadrilateral. Quadrilateral right here, okay? Like this. And here And look here, first of all, what we do you see here? First of all, draw, okay, one quadrilateral. Okay, this quadrilateral PQRS, where PQ is 5 centimeter. PQ, PQRS, okay, draw here RS first. Draw here RS, 6 centimeter here. Draw from here, this bit down to this. This is 6 centimeter, okay. Right, its name is RS, RS, okay, and write its measurement also this here, okay. Write a 6 centimeter, like this. And now, okay, put this ruler here up and this side, okay, and then it will be easy to take. Now we need to draw, this is RS, then write a PR. What is PR given the equation? We can see PR is here 6 centimeter. PR is 6 centimeter, and that's why I take here, okay, arc length, okay, and measure up to here 6 centimeter here, right, 6 centimeter measure. And now then put from R, okay, and to draw here like this. This is 6 centimeter long arc, okay. Same, there is also another 6 centimeter, that is from P to S. Look here, P to S also 6. That's why from here, okay, got this side, okay. This is also 6. That's why we have to repeat it, so that we have to quote here a little bit longer one arc, okay, here, okay, make it longer like this, okay. Now let's join this one, okay, like this. Put here ruler, and like this put ruler, and put like this ruler, and like this, okay. And now join it, okay. This side is, it was 6 centimeter, okay, you can mention here 6 centimeter, mention here, and join it a little bit up, like this, okay, and okay, like this one. This is also 6 centimeter, right? Mention here 6 centimeter, and the name of this vortex is P, okay. And then from now another one, Q to P. Q to P, what is the given? And this is QR, right? PQ is given there 5 centimeter. PQ is given there 5 centimeter. From here to here 5 centimeter. Okay, now see here, 5 centimeter is from here to, look, 5 centimeter is here. It may go out of the paper then. Look, it is going out, right? It's going out here like this. Okay, now cut like this. Okay, here, this is 5 centimeter. Okay, from here to here, it's going 5 centimeter. Clear? Then now from R to this P to Q, and now Q to R, it will be here. From R to this side, it's given there 4.5, right? So that make this like this one. Okay, draw this. Okay, it was, once I want to measure this one. Okay, how much it is? Okay, it must be 5. It has become a little longer. See, look here. Okay, see, this one is 5. Okay, right, from here, this one is 5. Okay, this one is 5. Now from R to Q, it is 4.5. That's why I take from here to here 4.5. Okay, this is 4.5 and fix it. Now put here, from here to here, it is got this side. This is 4.5. Now again, we have to make this previous one longer one. That one was 5, right? Make it longer still. 5. This is 5. Okay. Okay, it was 5. Now I am to repeat this one 5 again. Wait, it will down till down. Okay, like this. Yes, like this we have to cut. And wherever they are cutting, here is cutting point, right? And then and make it straight and join this with this one. Okay, with P, right? Put ruler like this straight. Mm. Put like this ruler. Yes, straight like this up and join that crossed one point here like this. Join. Okay, like this. This will be a little bit down. Let me put it down. Yes. Now join it like this. Okay. Yes, we have got this 5 centimeter. This is okay. Right here 5 centimeter. This is, and we have to join now this one also. Right. Wherever they have got like this one, join it. Okay, this one cutting one arc join like this. Okay, that's one. And we got here one quadrilateral. Its name is P. This is Q. Okay, this is Q, right? PQRS is the one quadrilateral. And here is next one is there. We draw here RS also. This one we draw, and we draw QR also. This also we draw. We draw PQ also. Yeah, we draw this PQ also. Then QR also we draw. This also. And now what is this PR? PR also we draw. Right? And this PS. What is PS? PS also we draw. Okay, put it down. And now look here. If diagonal is given, it's okay. If diagonal is not given, then also we have to draw this diagonals here like this, and this diagonal we have to join. Okay, with this right here, it is like this. Keep straight and pull it down here with this cutting point. Okay, and join like this. Okay, look here, so like this. Okay, if this diagonal is not given there, then also we have to join ourselves. Okay, if given it's okay, if not given we have to join like this join, because we are doing now here. Okay, what we are going to do, see here, we are taking one arc. Okay, and we are cutting this arc here. Okay, like this. See, and same arc, for the same arc we put here, and look, we cut that arc here like this here, cut like this arc here, and we are, our main aim is to make this arc length and this arc length equal. For that, one thing is left, put the compass here at this tip. Okay, this one, look at this point and measure this one. See, this arc length measure here like this. Okay, this should go here, this line. Okay, this line should go here like this. See, this lines, this line should go here. Let me put this one, this arc. Okay, here like this should go here. Okay, this cutting point and this one. See, yeah, we have to measure like this, and same arc we have to cut from here. Okay, and cut this arc like this. Okay, cutting like this, cut. And now for this one we have to join with the help of ruler. Okay, like this, put ruler like this. Okay, here, and like this here. Okay, then I think it needs so big space. Okay, it is going hiding, I think, there is space. And here like this we have to join this one, okay, down like this join. Okay, like this one. And now we have to, okay, see, we have to extend this one side, extend here straight by putting ruler. We extend this one side, and wherever they cut each other here, okay, it's named here QRT. Name this name we have to write as T. Okay, and now with the help of ruler join this one, T with the, see here, with the Q and T. Look, this has come longer than the ruler. Okay, like this. Look, this point, right? We have to join like this with this. Which put this ruler a little bit up. Okay, so that it will be easy to join. Look here. This one a little bit up. Okay, like this. Join like this, right? Okay, join this line like this. Okay, and here we want triangle. This is QRT. This triangles. Okay, this triangle area will be equal with the area of this previous drawn quadrilateral. Okay, PQRS. This is QRT. QRT is the triangle whose area will be equal to the, here will come here one T point. Okay, this one, there is one point T, right? Okay, this part is hidden. There's some, there will be T. Okay, this P T point here, and this point will be joined here. Here is the point T. Okay, and this point is T. QRT is the one triangle whose area is equal with the area of this quadrilateral. Like this, we draw this figure. Okay, and today this much only. Thank you very much. Keep practicing math.